In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link a message board post to a to-do for context in Basecamp. This is perfect for tying a broader discussion directly to the work that needs to happen, so your team has the full picture without hunting around. We'll use Basecamp's permalinks and its references feature, which automatically notes when something is linked elsewhere. Start by grabbing the link to the message board post you want to reference. Head into your project and open the message board. Find and open the specific post that provides the context you want to keep handy with your task. Now, copy its URL. If you're in a browser, you can simply copy the address from the URL bar. In the Basecamp apps, look for the copy link option, usually tucked under a three-dot menu. Either way, you'll end up with a permalink that points straight to that post. Next, add that link to your to-do where people will see it. One great spot is the to-do's description. Open the to-do item, place your cursor in the description field, and paste the message board link. Save the to-do to lock it in. From now on, the link will be clickable for anyone viewing or working on the task, so they can jump to the discussion in a single click. As a quick tip, consider placing the link near the top of the description with a short label, so the context stands out. Another solid option is to put the link in a comment on the to-do. Open the same to-do, click to add a comment, paste the link, and add a short note like "See discussion here," so people know what they're opening. Post the comment to share it with the team. This is helpful if you want the link to appear in the conversation thread without changing the main description, and it can also trigger notifications for the right folks. Here's the best part. When you paste a message board link into a to-do, Basecamp automatically tracks it as a reference. That means anyone viewing the to-do will see that it was mentioned elsewhere, adding clarity and traceability. It's a simple move that keeps decision-making and context tightly connected to the work. To recap, copy the message board post's link, then paste it either in the to-do description or in a comment, and save or post. You'll keep the conversation and the task aligned, and your team will always know where the background discussion lives.